Planning a trip to Bahrain? Let me quickly explain the different Bahrain eVisa types and how to choose the right one. Bahrain offers an online eVisa system, which means you can apply without visiting an embassy. Everything is done digitally, and the approved visa is sent directly to your email. If you're traveling for leisure or sightseeing, you can apply for a tourism eVisa. This visa is suitable for short holidays and personal travel. If your purpose is to visit close relatives living in Bahrain, the family visit eVisa is the correct option. Applicants must provide proof of their relationship with the host in Bahrain. For business-related travel, such as attending meetings or official discussions, Bahrain provides a business eVisa. This visa does not permit employment, but allows short business visits. Depending on the visa category, Bahrain e-visas can be issued as single-entry or multiple-entry visas, with different stay limits linked to each type. To apply, complete the online application form, upload the required documents, and make the payment through the secure portal. Once approved, your e-visa will be delivered by email. Before applying, ensure your passport is valid, your travel details are ready, and your visit purpose matches the visa type selected. Choose the correct Bahrain e-visa based on your travel needs, apply online, and enjoy a smooth entry into Bahrain.